Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add your card to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead and go to the settings app right over there. And it will be like this, right? So simply have to scroll till you find this option of wallet. Go ahead, tap on it. And now you will find this option of add card at the payment card section. Tap on add card and you just need to wait till it will give you an option where you will be able to add in your card. Add in your card, right? The ad that will simply ask you to provide your credit or debit card information. Go ahead, provide the correct number of a credit or debit card. Then provide the expiry year, expiry date, CVC number. Then add in your cardholder name and then confirm it. Make sure to recheck it again. You might also have to add in your billing address as well. And that is all. Once you have added the card, you're good to go. You can add another one if you prefer. And that's all it takes for you to add card to your Apple Wallet. And that is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.